this right here is the GoPro Hero 8, and the GoPro Hero 8 is actually waterproof even without a case. So just start to record on the GoPro, and let's dunk this in the water. You may have to lock it, otherwise it's fine. Just say hello, and when you bring it out, this is fine for a pool. You can just take out. Yeah, and we can just remove it. Now, yeah. If you're putting this in a pool, you need to after it starts to chlorine, you need to run it under tap water, or you can just dunk it in water like this. Okay, so this is the footage of the GoPro now. And let's dunk this in the water. So as we see, the GoPro Hero 8 is still a super solid action camera. I really like this thing. It's not mine, it's my uncle's. But anyways, it survived a water test. And I took this to a pool, like a few days back. I took this to a pool, and it survived that too. This is a super solid thing. I really like this GoPro. The Hero 8 has to be like probably one of my favorite GoPro editions. And this has not received proper care though. Look at that poor scuff down there. Look at that scuff. That scuff is unfathomable. Anyways, if you're looking up for a cheap GoPro, the Hero 8 probably has to be the best, because this thing, it does 4K 60. And although once like the Hero 21, Hero 20 like 5.3K 60, 4K, who even has a 5.3K monitor? So it just becomes useless. 4K 120 is good, but 4K 60, I love this GoPro. Okay, anyways, GoPro out, I guess.
Buddy!